Okay, let's dive right in. Google just dropped a new family of AI models. But you know what? The real story here, the game-changing part, isn't what's on the surface. We're talking about something that could seriously reshape how we all use powerful AI.
So what if the biggest AI release of the year was also the one most people just scrolled past? We're going to break down why this new release is shocking the AI world. And here's a hint for you. It has almost nothing to do with those benchmark scores everyone loves to post. No, this is about a massive shift in where AI lives and who gets to control it.
All right, first things first, let's meet the new family. Google has released Gemma 4. Now, this is a lineup of open models, and they're built with the same incredible tech that powers their top-tier Gemini models. And really, this isn't just another update. It feels like a whole new game plan from Google.
So check this out. You've got a whole lineup here. There's a big one for top-notch quality, and then there's this super fast mixture of experts or MO model, which is basically just a really efficient design. They've even got these tiny little versions engineered to run right on your phone. And this is huge. For the first time, it's all under an Apache 2.0 open source license. The bottom line, these things are built for tough, complex jobs, and they're made to run on the devices you already have in your hands.
Okay, but here's where things get a little tricky. When you first glance at the performance charts, you might just shrug, especially when you put them side by side with those massive models that run in the cloud.
Yeah, on the surface, the numbers look fine, you know? They don't immediately scream, this changes everything. They're good for sure, but maybe not revolutionary. And that's exactly why this whole thing is so easy to miss. People see the numbers, think, meh, and just keep scrolling.
But, and this is a big but, as the AI GR Ed pointed out, if you're only looking at those scores, you're missing the entire story. The magic here isn't about hitting the #1 spot on every single leaderboard. It's about something else completely.
So what's the big secret then? What's the hidden game changer here? Well, it all comes down to this. It's not about being the biggest. It's about being the smartest and way more efficient.
Okay, get this. This is the crucial point. Gemma 4 gets you almost state-of-the-art performance, but at a tiny fraction of the size. We're talking about a 31 billion parameter model going head-to-head with models that have over 1 trillion. And the best part? You can actually download the weights and run it on your own machine.
And this right here, this visualizes the breakthrough perfectly. Look at that. You're getting all that high performance, but with a low size. Think of it like this. Imagine a sports car that has almost the same horsepower as a giant semi-truck, but is 20 times more fuel efficient. That's the kind of leap we're talking about with Gemma 4.
I mean, we're talking up to 20 times more efficient. And it does this while still delivering incredible quality and reasoning. This isn't just a small step up, folks. This completely rewrites the rules of the game when it comes to power versus size.
So what does all this efficiency stuff actually mean for you? Like, in the real world? Well, it all boils down to 3 huge, game-changing benefits. First, you get total privacy. Your data never, ever leaves your device. Second, it costs you nothing to run. 0. No more paying for API calls. And third, you can use it anywhere, anytime, because it works completely offline. I mean, this is a massive shift from needing big tech servers for everything.
And this isn't just some pie-in-the-sky idea. We're seeing it in action. A 4 billion parameter version of this model is running smoothly on an iPhone 15 Pro, totally offline. It uses a tiny bit of memory but is still crazy powerful. Oh, and it's also natively multimodal, so it understands images and audio right from the get-go.
So let's zoom out. What does this all mean for the future of AI? Because this isn't just another model drop. This really feels like a major pivot point for the entire industry. Think about it. We're moving from a time when powerful AI was locked away in giant data centers, something you could only access through the cloud. Now, we're entering an era where that same power can be downloaded and run right on your laptop or your phone. This basically democratizes access to top-tier AI in a way we have just never seen before.
Yeah, this release is basically a challenge to that whole bigger is always better mindset. It's kicking the door wide open for a brand new wave of AI apps that are private, that are free to run, and that are incredibly powerful. So, the big question is, what happens next? How is everyone else going to respond to this? If you enjoyed this, subscribe to AI in 8 minutes and never miss what matters.